everybody, Tanya from Shooting Star SVG back, and today I want to talk to you guys about evergreen content on Etsy. So if this is your first time here, go ahead and click on like and subscribe below, as that does keep me motivated to continue making these videos, so that way you can grow your business and change your life. And for those of you who have not already, please go on over to my Facebook group and join up, where we are creating a community of like-minded individuals who are trying to grow their business. And y'all will also be notified when I post new videos or hear about crazy stuff or just try to help you out in general. And a lot of people are starting to ask questions in there, and it's just becoming a really nice group of people helping each other out. So that way we can be successful, because this is not a competition. You might design SVGs and I might design SVGs, but my style is completely different from yours, and so we should be raising each other up, not turning it into a cat fight like I've seen some people do. Anyways, today I wanted to talk to you guys about evergreen content. You're probably scratching your head like, Tanya, what the heck are you talking about? It's probably nothing that people really talk about when they go through trainings or discussions on designing anything. So today is the 14th of November. So I'm going to ask you a question, and I want you to drop it in the comments below. What designs are you working on right now? Okay. And I guarantee almost everybody is going to say the following designs: Christmas, New Year's, Valentine's Day. Why? Well, Thanksgiving is too close, so mostly everybody has finished their Thanksgiving designs probably a month ago. Christmas is a month and a half away. New Year's is a month and a half away. And Valentine's Day is the next major holiday after New Year's. And so people are very holiday centric when it comes to designing content. And there's nothing wrong with that. But if you want to make sales all year round, you should not just focus on the holidays. You should not just focus on current events that are going to be trending for a short period of time and then dropping off. You should be focused on content that is evergreen. And what that means is it is content that can be purchased and utilized all year round for different occasions and things of that nature. So I do design for holidays, and that's how I started my shop, right? I started my shop right before Halloween, and I did a butt ton of Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas designs, and I didn't do any of this evergreen content or just generic content that could be utilized, right? And so I would see these ebbs and flows in my sales, and I'm like, what the something's got to give here. And so I started just creating generic designs that can be used on baby clothes and for birthday gifts and, whatever other special occasions that I'm thinking of you present, okay? Just generic stuff. And I noticed that these do much better than my maybe, if I get lucky, get a viral design for a holiday designs, which will bring me a pop of income in. But the reason why my income is consistent and consistently growing is because I create content that can be utilized all year round. Okay, so I'm gonna go to my computer screen. Y'all can see some of my revenue stats, but whatever, it is what it is, right? So I'm in the back of my shop manager, and you can see that I have my Zodiac Nutrition Facts bundle, which is one of the things that I've created. I actually scoured the internet for facts and information on the zodiac signs and created these just like off the cuff. So these are 100% uniquely mine, and they turned into quite a big deal. This has been a good chunk of my income in 2020 for sure. Okay, but this is evergreen, and the reason why is because people can purchase this all year round, and they can use it for birthday gifts or whatever type of presents for any holiday. And they're just kind of a cool idea, right? So that is an example of evergreen content. And you can see since its inception, which was in, I want to say it was right after I got back from Myrtle Beach. I bundled this together, or right before, so that was June. Oh, I'm sorry, July. So since July, so let's see, that's July, August, September, October, November. In 5 months, I've made $372. Not too bad, right? This law enforcement officer bundle I created in June of 2019, and though it is much cheaper than the nutrition facts, I've made $216.50. This sells very well in Father's Day, but really could sell anytime. And actually has been selling quite a bit around Christmas because people are making Christmas gifts. This has sold since 2019, $239 worth of product. And this is just a funny SVG that anybody would love to put anywhere, anytime. And this one has made, in a year and a half, $181.18. Another Evergreen Content. So I just want to show you guys that if you look at my shop and my sections, I have like a very eclectic mix of things that are up here. And because of that, you know, baby and kids, mom and dad life, home decor, Easter. Oh, I didn't want to count that because that's a holiday. Sports and outdoors, coffee, tea, and wine, religious, general, anything that I can't bin in one of these categories, they go into general, awareness, and school and teacher SVGs. So I actually need to work on these shop sections. I've been giving y'all advice and not taking my own. So because of this, you know, people are having stuff in their cart, and this is a Christmas design, so obviously, you know, and they purchase throughout the year these things that are evergreen. Like this is a mom SVG that people buy. This is a pregnancy SVG, saying people for that, you know, baby to get the F out of my stomach. And another mom one here. So I focus on content that's going to bring me sales all year round. So the question I have for you guys right now is, did you know what Evergreen Content was? And are you creating anything outside of just holiday-centric designs? Or are you strictly focused on the holiday? I'd be curious to know. So please let me know in the comments. We're going to talk about this on the Facebook group too, but I just want to know what people are thinking, because I really think people are always so focused on the holidays, they don't focus on things that are going to make them money all year round. Okay? Because if you can get a viral design out there, then you're going to crush it, and you're going to continue to make money off of that viral design. Okay? So that's all I really wanted to talk about with Evergreen Content, is just make sure you're creating things outside of the holidays that is going to bring you in sales. Okay? And it doesn't have to be anything that's ridiculously trendy either. Make it kind of basic. I think that's the art of some of my designs, is I don't get ridiculously intricate, and I do that for a reason, because for sublimation and like wall art, things that you're physically printing, that's fine. But for these cutters, trying to cut out ridiculously intricate stuff takes a lot of time and energy, and it's just not my style. So again, let me know if you've considered Evergreen, or if you just create holiday stuff all year round and keep a few months ahead of the game. I'd like to know. And if you got something out of this video, go ahead and click on like and subscribe below, as that does keep me motivated to continue making these videos, so that way you can grow your business and change your life. And if you guys have any questions about this, or you want to throw some ideas off of me, I'll be happy to help you all out in the Facebook group or wherever. So yeah, that's all I got. Hope you guys have a great night.